Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for the best drone with 4K camera? Then, you are in the right place. In this video, we're going to review top 5 best affordable drones with 4K camera in 2020 on AliExpress. All these drone has been selected based on the value, rating, reviews, and orders. Okay, let's get started. Listed number 5 GPS 4K 5G Wi-Fi Live Video FPV. With foldable arms, it is compact and easy to carry. GPS positioning mode can provide more accurate flight. With 5G 2.4G Wi-Fi function, can be connected to APK system to take pictures, videos, transfer images in real time through mobile phone camera. 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance can reach 300 meters. 2.4G Wi-Fi 720 pixel, 2.4G Wi-Fi 1080 pixel, 2.4G Wi-Fi 4K HD, 5G Wi-Fi 720 pixel, 5G Wi-Fi 1080 pixel, 5G Wi-Fi 4K HD camera can provide a variety of high-definition images and videos. The plane will control the phone fixedly and follow the direction of movement of the operator. With altitude hold mode function, it can provide stable flight. The orbital motion will make the plane fly in circles, providing a cooler shooting angle. Waypoint flight mode, just draw a route on the screen and use the helicopter as a given path. Using 7.4 volts 2000 mAh battery, flight time is up to 25 minutes. Headless mode, no need to adjust aircraft position before flight. One-click back function, you can easily find your way home. One-click takeoff, landing. One button takeoff or landing automatically, the drone will take off or return to the takeoff position. With low power protection overcurrent protection. Anti-interference uses 2.4 GHz technology. 4 channels, you can fly up, down, forward, backward, left, right. 6-axis gyroscope for more stable flight and easier control. It has 3 flight speed switch levels to make flying more fun. The quadrotor fuselage is made of high-strength engineering plastics, which is light and durable. Package included, 1 F3 quadcopter, 1 remote control, 1 7.4 volts 2000 mAh lithium battery. You can choose the number of batteries when ordering, 1 USB charging cable, 1 screwdriver, 1 user manual and spare blades. It has 5.0 out of 5 start rating and 101 customer reviews. Listed number 4 S167 Drone GPS 4K. 1300 mAh battery can be played for a long time, enjoy it. 120-degree adjustable steering unit 1080 pixel high-definition wide-angle camera for excellent adjustment. Capture stunning images and videos in the sky. GPS-assisted flight provides accurate drone positioning details. The built-in return air (RTH) feature makes flying safer. When the battery is low or the signal is low, no one will automatically return to the air and fly out of range without having to worry about losing the drone. Use the altitude hold mode feature to provide stable flight. Have gesture photos and recordings to make your photography more convenient and beautiful. Track the flight, you can draw the required flight path on the phone, and the quadcopter will fly the line you draw. With the Wi-Fi function, you can connect to the app in real time via your phone camera to take photos, record and transfer images. No head mode, no need to adjust the aircraft position before flight. One click easy to find the way home. Anti-jamming using 5 GHz technology. 4 channels that can be raised, lowered, forward, backward, left hand, right hand and 360 degrees rotated. The 6-axis gyroscope is more stable and easier to control. The 4-axle aircraft body is made of high-strength wear-resistant engineering plastic, which is light and durable. Order contains, aircraft 1 controller 1, body battery 1, USB charger 1 screwdriver 1, instruction manual 1, spare blade 2 and fence 4. Note, after receiving the package, please check if the product is damaged. If international product is difficult to supervise logistics. If your product is damaged, please contact us products provider as soon as possible. They will repair or resend it based on your product issue. Or a refund method to provide you with services. It has 4.9 out of 5 start rating and 185 customer reviews. Listed number 3 HD 4K Wi-Fi 1080 pixel FPV drone. It has flight time 20 to 25 minutes. Product size 42, 34.5, 15 cm protection ring. 3.7 volts 2200 mAh battery capacity. 4 AA remote battery. 150 minutes charging time. 2.4 GHz remote control signal. 150 meters remote control distance. 4 LED lights indicator. 4096x2160 maximum image resolution. 1920x1080 maximum video resolution. Not supported memory card. Up, down, forward, backward, left, right flight, high hover, 360-degree flip, headless mode, 1-button return, speed adjustment, phone operation, voice, flight operation, track camera, emergency stop, electric adjustment camera functions. Order contains battery 1, plane 1, remote control 1, charging cable 1, screwdriver 1, instruction manual 1, spare blade 2 and protective ring 4. It has 4.8 out of 5 start rating and 370 customer reviews. Listed number 22020, new E68 drone. With a foldable arm, it is small and easy to carry. Has a high hold mode function to provide stable flight. With Wi-Fi function, you can connect to APK system to take photos, video, and transfer images in real time through mobile phone camera. With track flight mode, you can choose the route you need. With gestures to take photos. MV music editing features. There are 3 cameras to choose from. Equipped with a 720-pixel, 1080-pixel, 4K wide-angle camera for a wide range of high-definition pictures and videos. No head mode, no need to adjust the aircraft position before flight. With a 1-button return function, you can easily find your way home. Anti-interference uses 2.4 GHz technology. 4 channels that can be raised, lowered, forwarded, retreated, left-handed, right-handed and 360 degrees rolled. 6-axis gyroscope for more stable flight and easy control. The 4-rotor body is made of high-strength and engineering-resistant plastic, lightweight and durable. Up, down, forward, backward, left, right turn, side flight, 3-level flight speed, LED light, headless mode, 1-button automatic return, altitude hold mode, Wi-Fi FPV functions. Package included, 1 E68 RC quadcopter, 1 transmitter, 1 3.7 volts 800 mAh lithium battery, 1 USB charging cable, 4 protective covers, 4 spare blades, 1 screwdriver and 1 user manual. It has 4.8 out of 5 start rating and 821 customer reviews. Listed number 1 KY101D 2020 new 4K camera drone. Length, 40.8 cm, width, 22.8 cm, height, 10.8 cm. Product size. 3.7 volts to 1800 mAh, H lithium-ion rechargeable battery parameters. AAA 3 to 6 volts alkaline battery remote control. USB cable charging. About 80 minutes charging time. About 18 minutes flight time. 100 meters remote control distance. 100 meters flying height. Black, red, white product color. 4-channel, 6-axis gyroscope. Wide-angle Wi-Fi real-time transmission, photo, video, gravity sensing, video plus music, etc. Air pressure is set high, hovering. 1-button takeoff, 1-button down, 1-button emergency stop. High, medium and low speed design. Rising and falling, forward and backward, left and right turn, left and right side fly, fine adjustment. 360-degree 3D flipping in front, back, left and right directions. Headless mode, 1-button return. Battery protection function. Height rotation, hovering. Light control switch. The order contains quadcopter 1, remote control 1, instruction manual 1, USB charging cable 1, protective cover 4, landing gear 2, spare blade 2, battery 1, mobile phone holder 1 with camera version, camera 1 optional. It has 4.6 out of 5 start rating and 1190 customer reviews. If you want to buy best affordable drones with 4K camera in 2020 on AliExpress, link in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and leave a comment. To get more storage solution videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.